You're funny. Woof woof. Woof woof. Woof woof. Do you know that there's cracked underneath it?
Yeah, it's one that belongs in the play area, actually.
Little teeth now.
Sorry.
Poor guy, stretching. Stretching the max. Woo! Woof woof. Woof woof. I can't believe you are sitting tall.
It's amazing.
Just unbelievable. With your cute collar and everything.
Is that making marks on it?
Oh, don't worry. That
No, it was there.
It'll all be fine.